Phase. What the f? What's going on, guys? It's your man, Cleveland Terry, and today we're going to be talking about... Wait. You hear that? Shh. What is that? You know what that is? Absolutely nothing. No sound whatsoever. You know why? Because Phase has gone underground. 2 days before it's supposed to come out, we get notified that it's going to be delayed until January. But we didn't really get notified. It wasn't like we got an email stating that this is what's going to happen. There was nothing. They just stopped communicating. If you look on their Instagram page, they turned off the comments. They turned off the comments. Do you know what that means to me? That means that there is something far bigger than what's actually being shown. It's not smoke and mirrors, but it was never ready for prime time. Ever. And I'm okay with that. I'm honestly okay with the fact that this is a new technology that they're trying to release. I'm fine. What I'm not fine with is information blocking. They have been 100% closed-lipped on what's going on. If you want to be a startup and you want to say, hey, I'm coming out with a new product, I don't know exactly when it's going to come out, but I'm working on an October release date. And then October comes around and you can't release it. You let everybody know, you know what, it's going to be another couple of months. You know what, I'm not really sure when it's going to happen. But then you give us a November 28th deadline. Once again, a deadline that you chose. Nobody told you to make it November 28th. That was the number you came up with. But then as you started reading their Instagram pages and you started looking at some of the comments they were making, they changed their tone a little bit as of like the first week or two of November. They started saying things like, well, we hope that it's going to be ready by November 28th. We're still waiting on manufacturing to let us know that it's ready. Right there was a flag. A flag that was stating that they weren't really sure when it was going to be made. So they turned off their comments. People can't complain anymore, which they have every right to. They did buy this product. They are still waiting for a product. And they turned off their comments basically to say, screw you, we don't want to deal with it. You'll get your product when you get your product. That is not how you do business. There's only a couple of rules for business. One of them is do what you say you're going to do and don't fuck over your customers. That's it. That's it. That's all you got to do. Do what you say you're going to do and don't fuck over your customers. And in one long stroke, they have lied to their customers and the customer still doesn't have a product. We don't know if the product's going to work. We don't know if there are bigger issues. We don't know when we're going to get them because we have a company that is not transparent in their business. Hey guys, I know I told you it was going to be October, but now it's November. Hey guys, in, I don't know, beginning of November, hey guys, we're having some issues with manufacturing, maybe a little longer. We'll keep you updated. Hey guys, it's not going to happen on November 28th. It's actually going to happen probably in January. We're not really sure yet. We will let you know. But that's not what they're saying. They basically keep giving us dates. Keep giving us dates that they're not sure they're going to be able to do. Stop giving us dates. Don't give us any more. Don't create your own deadlines. Deadlines don't work for you, clearly. So just stop. I did a little more research on the website. I was looking at their facts. I just pre-ordered Phase. When will I receive my product? As the product is still being manufactured, we cannot ship already. I have no idea what we cannot ship already means. That's not even proper English. Here's another one. How long will Phase be available for pre-orders? The product is still being manufactured, hence available for pre-orders only. We plan on launching the product for orders during January 2019. Okay, so let's look at the words. The product is still being manufactured. This isn't about not having enough product to go around. This is about not having the product. It's not even being produced yet. So they knew it wasn't going to be produced in October, probably early November. They already knew it wasn't going to be produced. So just start being honest then. You know what? We had a problem with manufacturing. It's not going to happen the way we thought it was going to be. We're still waiting on manufacturing to let us know. But they didn't say that. They kept coming on with their pre-release and all their, hey, look at our live tour. Look at all this stuff that's going on. All these things to hide the fact that the product wasn't even ready to go. They canceled their tours for last weekend. If it were me, I would cancel them because I didn't want to deal with the fact that I had to answer to all these people that come see this live presentation of a product that supposedly works, but nobody has access to, besides Jeff. If it were me, I would be complaining, and they don't want to deal with that, so they just canceled the tour because it's not ready. It's not being manufactured, there's no product. Because if it was just a manufacturing issue, they're manufacturing, they could manufacture a set amount. Let's say they could only make 5,000 units a month, but they had pre-orders of 80,000. Instead of just saying they're not going to be ready, there's no business in the world that's going to hold off on sending out their product because they don't have enough. They would send it out like as if people who pre-ordered. Pre-orders would get theirs first. And then another month goes around, another batch is made, they send out another shipment, and so on and so forth until everybody gets it or until they are able to ramp up production to distribute on a global scale. So I will say again, what is going on with the actual product? What exactly are they doing with this product? There's only a couple of possible reasons. And it's always the same reason. It's money. They don't have enough money to manufacture this. They had to go back, they had to retool, which is probably BS, but they had to go back and retool, which is gonna cost you money. So all that money that people are giving them is being wasted in development. It's not going towards actual manufacturing, because if that were the case, they would have physical product, but they don't. We are waiting just like the company for money, because the manufacturing is like, hey guys, how many orders do you have to produce? Oh, you got 20,000? Okay, well, it's gonna cost this much to produce it. And we need that money. We need half of it up front. We need the other half, before we deliver on the goods. Oh, wait, you don't have the money? Well, we're not manufacturing anything then. You got a business, I got a business. I don't trust you. That's silly. And that's business. I did some research on their website, and to come to find out, they're actually owned by a company called Music World Media. This is the same company that owns Mix Fader, the people that have the Mix Fader fader, the really, really cool wireless Bluetooth fader. And that's the only other hardware that they have. The Mix Fader and all of its products, and then the Phase DJ controller. Besides that, they are actually a software-based company. They make apps. They make tons and tons of apps for music creation. That's their bread and butter. And these things are just kind of side products. So Mix Fader kind of proved that there was a niche, but this isn't Mix Fader. When Phase came out, they used Mix Fader as kind of their umbrella to kind of state, hey guys, look, this is another Mix Fader product, which then DJs would get really excited because they realized, hey, Mix Fader's dope, the product is dope, I'm not really worried. I was in the same boat. I felt the same way. But they're not made by Mix Fader. This is just another subset of this Music World company. And I don't think that they were ready. I think they sold Music World a bill of goods that even Music World kind of believed. And then they got some money, they put some backing in. The company itself is actually owned by David Guetta's manager, Martin Solveig. I think that they don't have any more money. So they're still waiting on an influx of cash, whether it be from pre-orders or from their investors, to push this over the edge because they don't have the money right now. That's just my feeling, that's my opinion. It's always based upon the same thing. Business is based upon money. If you don't have money, you can't run a business. And if their investors are like, look, you've come to us a couple times now, we're not giving you any more money, find a way to pay for this thing, then they're getting screwed. They gotta wait for their pre-orders to come through. I will say this one more time, and I mean it. If you have not pre-ordered yet, do not pre-order. If you pre-order now, you're stupid. I'm just calling it like I see it. Because there are too many things, too much writing on the wall for you to ignore it and say, it's okay, the product's still coming. It may come, but it may not come. Okay, let's just be honest with you right now. Or it gets bought out by another company and then it gets rolled into, you know, Pioneer or Serato or something like that. Just keep that in mind if you decide that you want to buy it. You may be waiting even longer. Will it come in January? Who knows? I'm acting like it's a dead product now. The product doesn't exist until it gets shipped to my house because right now, it really doesn't exist. Is it vaporware? It kind of is. So we're gonna use this opportunity for all you people that bought the Phase controller to vent, okay? Drop down in my comments below. Leave when you ordered it and what your take is on this, okay? Because I know that a lot of people have opinions and sometimes they're good and sometimes they're not. I'm gonna show some opinions from my first video you can actually see up here. Here are some of my favorite comments. To me, it never meant you would get it early. It meant you would be one of the first to receive it without going to the store. You worry about the wrong stuff. I am pleased that the trial's going on with it, and we believe we will still be receiving a great product that won't date quickly. You should not be worried, you should be patient. Okay, that was about 2 weeks ago, and I ordered this thing in April, okay? And it's now November. Should I be patient when a company says it's gonna ship out in October? No, wait, it's gonna ship out in November. No, wait, it's gonna ship out in January. Should I still be patient? Should I be worried at all? Am I still worrying about the wrong stuff? Because right now, it looks like I'm worrying about the right stuff. The product that is not in my hands, the product that is still outstanding, that who knows if we're gonna get or not. Let's look at another one. As someone that pre-ordered, I'm not mad at all. Let's just take a moment to realize that tech like this is for DJs is a gift from God. The better they can make it on the first release, the better for everyone. Yeah, that's true. But you gotta get out a release, okay? Because I don't care how good it is if we never see it. You can tell me every month that it's getting more and more amazing, and in 2025, it's gonna be the best DJ product you ever had. That's great, but who cares? Because I don't have it in my hands. Let's see another one. Stop crying, bro. I would rather get it when it's perfected than get it and have it sent back. That's an interesting one because I would rather have it work also, but I would rather have it work in my hands, working, not waiting. This is a really interesting post because when I read that, I started thinking, well, you're right. You do want to have it work and not have to send it back. Because right now, if I have to send it back because there's a problem, I am seriously concerned that they're not gonna fix this thing. I'm seriously concerned that I'm not gonna get a product that's gonna work later on. Because if it breaks now, at this rate, at the way they're doing things, I'm not sure about that customer support. So make sure you guys just leave a comment below. Let me know what your feelings are. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna keep your order, if you're gonna cancel it. Let me know what your feelings are. Let's talk about this. I am going to be your release point. You can release all over my page. That didn't sound right. Once again, guys, always a pleasure. And if I don't talk to you later, we'll talk soon. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, _ClevelandTerry_, Twitter, _ClevelandTerry_. And if you like what I'm saying here, hit that like button. If you don't like what I'm saying,